smarter than a mule. Cause he's a drunken horse, brewing moonshine of course, with a tail that sways like a busted porch. From apples to corn, Barlie to stonefruit born, he's the four-hoofed king, and we'll drink you under the table for sport. Steam starts rising like a Wheatbelt dawn. Rusty's wobbling sideways, but he still pushes on. Got a copper coil glowing like a dragon's throat. He yells, Apricot lightning, bottle that note. He filters it twice through a saddlebag rag, labels each jar with a crooked old tag. Says this batch will warm you from your boots to your brain, and if it don't, well, have another again. Cause he's a drunken horse, brewing moonshine of course, with a tail that sways like a busted porch. From apples to corn, Barlie to stonefruit born, he's the four-hoofed king, and we'll drink you under the table for sport. Who's on the dirt like a country drum? Rusty's yelling, oi! The next batch is done. He pours a shot, takes two for luck, falls over backwards, but gets back up. He's the drunken horse, a legend endorsed by every thirsty soul from the coast to the north. From orchard to field, his moonshine's revealed as the brew with more kick than a mule ever wielded. And Rusty's still drinking, still distilling, still wild, still the moonshine horse of the outback miles. Rusty kicked the still till it sparked like a star. Moonshine, Mandy laughed, mate, we're going far. Popcorn packed the jars, the alien packed the haze, and the sky turned purple in a moonlit blaze. Barlie comets, apricot moons, apples orbiting in silver spoons. They rode the mash through the Milky Way, sipping stardust till the night turned day. It's the drunken horse cosmic trip, with Mandy popcorn and the alien ship. They're distilling dreams in zero G, laughing loud through eternity. One hoof in the stars, one tail in the mist of the moonshine crew. No god could resist. Popcorn's hat glowed green like nebula flame. Mandy's jaw shimmered, she whispered his name. The alien blinks at this batch divine. Rusty Nate, pour another line. Apricot lightning, Barlie rain, cornfield galaxy spin insane. They toasted the void with a cosmic cheer, and the stars all clapped, the horse is here.